proud.
You're our big winner!
Because of you, I am here. Thank you, my Sparkle family. Thank you, Miss Joy. We love you. Love you, Shu! Mahal ko talaga kayo from the bottom of my heart and my lungs and my body and my soul.